welcome back, everyone. Let's get right to work. I've been way too chatty lately. Doge, yeah. I mean, listen, I know we're not here. Well, I shouldn't say not. I mean, I know we focus on stocks here, but man, I wouldn't, if you got any Doge, I don't know why you're selling right now. I mean, you got the breakout. We're in full mania mode. Everyone's talking about Doge. You know, it's like, I mean, this is exactly what you want in penny stock land. I don't know why you'd be selling your Doge here. Looks beautiful to me. So, Kiabosh asked about CLOV. Yeah, so CLOV had some news this morning. Nice breakout over 950 right here. VWAP currently 975. So I'd probably look at basically that break of, you know, I'd call the break 1025, tend to fixate on quarter dollars, half dollars, whole dollars, half dollars. Let me jump on the whiteboard. So we got news, former runner. This was a SPAC, right? Help me out. I believe, cut me some slack. I think it was either an IPO or a SPAC recently. So I would look at that 1025 area, with risk down at your VWAP. Whoop. I wanted the red for the stop. Your stop's down on that VWAP area, so you're risking, what are you risking? 60, 70 cents for a goal of probably like 12 plus. Decent setup. Nice move on Friday. Hell, you know, it's squeezed in pre-market. You know, one of the things you look for a day two move is you like to see that 4 a.m. squeeze. I mean, I know I say it all the time. You guys probably get sick of it, but when a stock that holds up all day on Friday spikes again at 4 a.m., that's nothing but shorts. Okay, no long-term, you know, nobody that believes in CLOV is getting up at 3:30 a.m. to buy. The only buyers at 4:01 a.m. are people that were stupid enough to hold a Friday runner over the weekend, and then they're the only buyers are the shorts, and then, you know, people that maybe bought Friday morning or held into the close, they're the sellers. The sellers are just people that predicted the squeeze. The only buyers at 4:01 a.m. are drunk, hungover losers that decided to hold the momentum stock over the weekend again. Meanwhile, all they did was hit that bottle all weekend, trying to forget the fact that they were that stupid to do it again. So they stay up all night just pounding Jack Daniels on Sunday night just to get squeezed out at 4:01 a.m. So they're the only buyers. All right, Cisco asks about CLNE. Whoops, I gotta do my notes. Pre-market live stream 4/19/2021. Doge. Let it work, in my opinion. I see no reason to be selling here. CLOV. Nice 4 a.m. squeeze. Look for 1025 break. Risk on VWAP. Goal 12s. All right. HCMC has new news? Really? J-Rad? You better not be tricking me. I had HCMC on the weekend. Oh, no. I'm thinking I'm thinking Houghton Mifflin. You tricked me. I was thinking HMHC. J-Rad says HCMC has news. Or did you mean HMHC? No. I don't know what you're talking about, J-Rad. SPCB. No volume. NAKD sucks, but I'll look at it. NAKD always sucks, but I'll look. It sucks. Why are you asking about NAKB? NSPR split. Ah! It hurts my eyes. MTSL. Ah, I can't type. No. 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 No! DKNG. Well, I mean, possible week open ready green. What do you think about Doge? Love it. CLNE. Some BS news with Amazon. Chart's not the best. Man, late day VWAP holds because of the chart. So chart's a mess. Afternoon VWAP holds only. TLRY, weed stock. Weed stocks suck like always. I don't really see anything on TLRY. Ebon, red to green. Yes. Betzel Fredman. Betzel Fredman. I'm butchering your name. Anyway, yeah, so Ebon, one of my favorite, probably the number one day trade week open red to green. They put out a beautiful press release on Friday. They had Doge, they had blockchain, they had everything. Ebon, top day trade red to green. Lovely BSPR Friday. Squeezed shorts. Ignore unless it does the move. And man, I really like this. I mean, listen, if you take so let's talk about entries. If you take let's say 485 with risk on say 460 VWAP, standard red to green, etc. You're risking 25 cents. I mean, does this have realistic expectations to spike to 550? I mean, in essence, that would be your 3-to-1 risk to reward. I mean, it hit 518 Friday. As recently as a few weeks ago, it was trading in the high sixes. So I think that is a very solid risk to reward on a POS Doge play. Okay. Now, only if it goes red to green. And know what you got. I mean, this is terrible junk, terrible. Okay, so recap, big news. Well, it's a 5-digit ticker. I highly doubt it, but I'll look at it. I can't wait to see these guys' office. Will this come up on? I want to see this. So it's some 5-digit foreign oil company. Their office is a little better than I thought, actually. So, afternoon OTC swizzle ultimately. I mean, that's all you can really trade on these. So, good to see they had news, but either morning panic dip buy or afternoon OTC swizzle. So, RECAF, OTCs, no volume in pre. Same answer I give every day. Every day on OTCs. buys, all caps. Morning panic dip buys. Afternoon OTC swizzles. Ambo has news with Amazon. And it just dropped. Oh, okay. So nice. You got, well, what am I going to say? So thank you, A Perfect Circle. Here we go. What do we like to see? So 8:30 press release. And I know you guys are going to be like, here he goes again. But this is how you play the game. You drop a PR at 8:30. You throw in every buzzword. You know, you got Amazon, you got artificial intelligence, you got remote education. Ambo, well done. Love it. Love it. Very well done. So I'll finish on Ambo. So, well done. Whoops, let me do this. So, Ambo, well done. 8:30 PR. Filled with every buzzword in the dictionary. Get a little relatively low float, 23 million. Good volume in pre, already traded 2 million shares in 15 minutes. Relatively low float, 22 mil. Good volume, 2 mil in 12 minutes. Let's look at the daily and wrap this up. Daily's a disaster, but it's a multi-month breakout over 265. A lot of one-and-dones, pretty ugly chart, but I love the buzzwordiness of it. So let's do a whiteboard. Obviously, you know, a lot can change in the next hour. So I'm going to enforce the 945 rule on this guy. Why do I enforce the 945 rule? The daily chart tells me that. The daily chart says, slow down, don't buy it early, relax. So we're going to trade against HODS, currently 250, which is a whole dollar, half dollar. Look for that weak open and then break of the high. Now the high could move. It's obviously an hour away from 945, but I like the recipe here. Let's get a 9 a.m. chat pump. Just suck in some sheep. Let it yank at the open. Let it panic the sheep. Then if we get that reclaim of the high day, it's on with Ambo. So thank you, A Perfect Circle. Well done. Thank you, everyone. And as of now, still like CLOV. So I would say my two mains, well, three. So my three mains, CLOV, EBON red to green, and Ambo dipping red. So a little bit quieter out there again. Everyone just wants to trade Doge. As much as I love Doge, I am hoping it does fall apart. Because, I tell you, last few days, all the degenerate day traders are all in on Doge, man. So, but anyway, those are my three: EBON, Ambo, and CLOV. So, all right. Have a great day, everyone. Check out the Steady Trade team, and we will see you next time.